They say I keep it going. Yeah, I keep it flowing. My niggas know how I do it. Yeah, I keep it going. I ain't making shit up. Yeah, I'm really going. Maybe I go back home, man, but I don't then because my family ain't in my home, man. But niggas know I stay out all night and I excite everybody that come around me on that night because I got love, though, and only show love, bro. But niggas ain't giving me no love, though. Then they say I'm crazy, yo, because I be speaking to them how they ain't giving me love, though. How the fuck you think that you thought you knew me better than how the fuck I do know me? And everybody want to be mad that not me, mad that I made my name, mad you not me. Can't you see how niggas stay around me? Niggas want to be around me.
Far away from them.
We just warming up.
Here they far away from them. That's how we are gonna stay, cause we have money every day. So we are far away from them.
We be in the space we be. When we smoke that good tree, we go to the space you see. But space is where we put y'all niggas far from everything we do. Purgatory for you. Y'all niggas seeing black on the bottom of our shoes. Bad news if you gotta see us come through. That mean we making space for you below the earth, though. Y'all niggas know, yo, our birth, though. Everything that you thought you knew. Yeah, I know. I don't write it down, oh yeah, I'm a show. Y'all niggas wanna be around me, though. It's easy, though. That's why we got space, bro. I said it in the first of the verse, though. I'm only in space because I smoke on the good road. You understand, though?
They all go low, so far away from them. Heineken we a spill. Far away from them. All of them I get killed. Far away from them.
It's lucky we don't hang around, y'all. Because if we did, y'all wouldn't be able to talk to the bitches, y'all. Already know it's hard for y'all anyway. Even though that Young Day stay far away. But if Young Day come around where you stay, then you know that you don't stay in the same place because Young Day took over that way. You know what I say when I say it to your face, because you know what, I'm kind of like mace or pepper spray. I make y'all niggas eyes burn. I make y'all niggas make a whole life turn thinking about what you didn't do. Put you in an urn, though. Y'all niggas know I earn, bro. Burn fire, yo. For my brain, oh no, my heart, yo. Only family knows how I really get it, though. That's how I only spend it with my family, yo. That's why everybody in the streets be talking about how I might be smoking that and putting it down because they don't know how. I really put it out there because they ain't my family now. Stupid. Far away from your lane.
Me flash out them all over the place, yo. So, disgrace, yo. I post it when me hear so they boy. Them a test me and them with a lace. How them want dress, yo. Me case, yo. Them boy they are west. So far away from
you
them.
Cocksucking ass niggas talking that shit.
Far away.
We don't even come in your face, but you can't keep our name out your fucking face.
Fuck them, man.
You lucky we stay. Where the fuck we be?
Let's go.
Look. We just came out to smoke and freestyle. We going back in the club. Watch this, look. Starboy and Galaxy's in the club. Man, you know they lucky.
Tonight, Twinkle. Blinky.